Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting ID, license, and vehicle registration. This saves time at the scene. If there are injuries, call 999 immediately, otherwise ring the Dubai Police non-emergency number 800-244. Once safe, photograph plates, damage, and the exact location, include timestamps or GPS. Make brief voice notes describing what happened and who was present. You're creating evidence now. Do not admit fault. Make sure to exchange contact and insurance details before leaving the scene. Next, you file the report. Open the Dubai Police app for an e-report if damage is minor, or go to the nearest police station within 24 hours for a full statement. When speaking to the officer, describe events clearly and stick to facts. Hand over photos, witness names, and contact details. Once done, obtain the police report number and a copy. You'll need it for insurance claims. If the case is complex, request the on-scene investigator to document skid marks, vehicle positions, and measurements. Finally, you notify your insurer immediately and upload the police report, photos, and witness contacts. Make sure to obtain repair estimates from approved garages and keep any rental or towing receipts for reimbursement. Once submitted, track your claim online and follow up with both the insurer and police report number if processing stalls. If repairs or payouts are disputed, request a secondary inspection. Troubleshooting tip: if insurers delay, escalate with the Dubai Police report number and seek assistance from the insurance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.